Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete Elementor styles or templates in WordPress using Elementor. If you've been building pages and experimenting with different designs, you've probably accumulated a collection of saved templates that you no longer need. Cleaning these up will help keep your workspace organized and make it easier to find the templates you actually use. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your site's backend where all the management tools are located. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options on the left side of your screen. Now look at the left sidebar menu and click on Elementor. This is where you'll find all the Elementor related settings and features. Clicking this will expand a submenu with several options specifically for managing your Elementor content. From that submenu, select Templates. This is the hub where all your saved Elementor templates are stored, including page layouts, sections, and any custom designs you've created and saved for future use. Once you're on the Templates page, click on Save Templates at the top of the page. This tab displays a complete list of all the templates you've saved over time. You'll see everything organized in a table format, making it easy to review what you have. Now comes the deletion part. If you want to delete multiple templates at once, check the top checkbox. This is typically located at the very top of the list and allows you to select all templates on that page simultaneously. If you only want to delete specific templates, you can individually check the boxes next to each one instead. After selecting the templates you want to remove, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. This is usually positioned near the top left of the template list. Click on it and choose Trash from the options. This action will move your selected templates to the trash, similar to how files work on your computer. Finally, click the Apply button to execute the action. This will move all your selected templates to trash, effectively removing them from your active template library. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Elementor templates and created a more organized workspace for your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.